Hi. So, let's understand how to make this. Search for Continue Evolution sd-webui-animatediff. You will find a GitHub link in the result like this. Click to visit. I will be giving this in the description. Copy the link for installation using URL. As usual, the installation process, that is install from URL. Hope it's okay to fast forward. After installation, you will get a new option as here for animatediff. Let me walk you through the interface of this plugin. We'll start with the model I just downloaded. To download this model, search for Hugging Face animatediff. Click on the result from Hugging Face. From Files and Versions, this is the one I downloaded. You will find models in LoRa for our extension, animatediff. To download the model, click this download icon. The file should be in your Automatic11 folder. In Extensions, animatediff folder, and then Model folder. When it comes to exporting videos, you have three format options. First MP4, and the other two, GIF and PNG for sequential frame images. An enabling switch for animatediff. Number of frames can be determined by the number of frames per second, that is FPS in the right. If we set it to 56 frames with an FPS of 8, the video will last for 7 seconds. The video loop setting allows you to control how the video repeats. A value of 0 means it will loop indefinitely, while a value of 1 means it will loop once. You can also choose whether the video content loops back and forth. We have few options like A for a loop and N for no loop. Let me know if you want a detailed explanation on this. Context batch is 16. It works on the first 16 frames of the video, having slightly different frames from the last 16 frames. The maximum value for this setting is 32 frames. We can stick with the default settings for now. This is for the number of keyframes copied. The number here affects smoothness of the video. The higher the value, the smoother the video. This setting is used in conjunction with another plugin, which I am still learning. Let's start generating animations now. We'll start with simple animation first. Something like this one. To save your time, I have noted prompts which I will be sharing in the description. Sampling method will be dpm plus 2m, and schedule type will be caras. I can keep other values as default. I want a vertically long video. Instagram style, so I will change the height to 921. We should generate an image now before going for animation. I generated multiple images of heavily gifted women, hence I removed the word beautiful from the prompt. Let's use this image for animation. I will copy the seed ID of this image. Note that, using seed ID will maintain character consistency in multiple frames of animation. By selecting MP4 format in the extension, and total of 56 frames for 7-second video, let's see the result. As we can see, the video looks smooth. The corresponding file can be found in the output folder having animatediff directory. I'm using an anime model. Different models can be used to generate different images. Note that, I'm using stable diffusion, 1.5. I tried again after making some changes, however, I made a mistake here. I missed giving the seed ID, which resulted in different images and having two faces. The AI tried to complete the task in the given aspect ratio with the limited information. Here again, I made a mistake. My negative prompt contains words like bad hands, which was useful in previous examples. The negative prompt effects are so strong that the AI tried adding correct human hands in the animal's image. Hope you found my video and mistakes useful. Stay connected by subscribing and supporting me. Let me know your thoughts or any ideas in the comment sections on this topic.